Hello viewers, I'm back again with another video, and today I want to talk about optimizing your YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop your comment and opinion in the comment box below. I am KCTV. I talk about stories from Africa. Don't forget to click on the like button. Today I want to talk about 5 best steps of optimizing your YouTube channel to gain tons of views in your channel. Search engine optimization is very important, but the step is very hard. To gain more view on your YouTube channel, you need to know the right keywords to use. If your goals is to gain more views on your YouTube channel, search engine optimization is used for both Google and YouTube search. Search engine optimization help your channel to be discovered in Google and also YouTube. So I'm going to give you 4 steps of optimizing your channel so that you gain more views on your YouTube channel. If you use these cues, this pattern, you just upload and go and relax. And views will not just come like that, but at least you are going to rank well. And if you rank well, the views are going to come back. Because imagine that in a keyword, your video is, let me say, 5th or 6th on the keyword. Definitely you are going to rank well. So the first thing that you need to do is to discover the keywords that your audience use. So by discovering the keyword that your audience, that is your viewers, use, you need to know the search term that your audience use in terms of when they are looking for something online in either Google or YouTube. That's why before you create a video, you need to make your research. Don't just carry your phone and your camera and start making videos. If you carry your phone and your camera and start making video, you end up making video for yourself. And if you want to succeed in YouTube, you need to make video for people. You need to make video that is going to enlighten people, that's going to make people learn 1 or 2 things from it. So you need to create something that is very educative, because if it's very educative, definitely people are going to search it. But what I see people mostly do, they just pick up their camera without making research, without doing keyword research, that is without typing the keyword that have more view, without going to make 1 or 2 research, without writing any script. They just carry their phone and you'll see anything and just video. Yes, you can do it and have tons of view. They have many people that talk about their life story, but those people, if you watch them, they are celebrities. Celebrities, anything that they post, they are going to have tons of view because people want to know about them. But we that we are upcoming YouTubers, we are just starting now, we need to create things that is very informative, educative, and entertaining. And remember that audience are going to search for things that benefit them and not just random things. So you need to pay attention to the keyword that people search. That's okay. If you enter, let me say, Google or YouTube, what are you going to search? What are you going to likely search? Not that you just make your video random and think that you're going to generate tons of views. No, that's why you need to pay attention to your keyword, to your audience, and most especially you need to make your video informative, educative, and entertaining. The keyword contain single word, double word, or 3 or more words. As a YouTuber, you need to identify your keyword. Keyword, that is a keyword varies. They have business keywords, they have entertainment keyword. That's why they have something like niche. Yes, as a small YouTuber, definitely you don't need a niche. You don't need to key yourself into one niche. You don't need to be doing one specific thing. You need to be trying tons of things to find your breakthrough. So I don't advise that niching. But you need to target your keywords. It's very important. There are ways of finding keywords to use. It's either you do a guesswork or by writing any random keyword that you feel like people are going to search or look for to watch, or by doing keyword research. There are professional ways of doing keyword research to drag tons of views. They have online tools, some free online tools that you can use to gauge which keywords people search more. Using guess method, you just guess, and sometimes guess method do work for some people and guess method sometimes do not work for some people. So you need to try to learn, or you need to find a professional to teach you how to do keyword research. Because if you can do keyword research and gain those keywords that people do search every day, definitely your channel is going to be bomb. Your channel is going to be bomb in the sense that people are going to be flocking to your channel looking for answers. That's why I will repeat it again, that you need to make your content very informative, educative, and entertaining, so that when people come to your channel, they're going to benefit from your channel. They're going to gain something from your channel, so that if they gain something from your channel, definitely you are going to have subscribers. People are going to subscribe to your channel if they gain what they came from the channel. So that's why you need to make it those things that I said earlier, informative, educative, and entertaining. You see that guesswork, that is to guess a keyword. Those people that guess keywords, sometimes it works for them, but sometimes it's like a waste of time, because if you guess keyword and write it, your video can be there for 7 years without nobody seeing it, because you did not know the right keyword to use. You just feel like, okay, this video is for this, and you just use your knowledge to just write. It's not about guessing. It's not about using tools. So you can just use your brain, follow trending things, follow trending issues, and pick 1 or 2 words from that trending gist and fix in your video and make videos that are concerned it, so that at least if people search about those things, they're going to pick your video. And if you check your analytics, you're going to see that people that watch those certain video are mostly search. If any of your video show that people that watch your video, people that watch the video are mostly from search engine, people that search for an answer online and discover your channel, that your video will be thriving, because that video will be moving forward, because people search for it. You will not even stress yourself by advertising your channel or asking people to subscribe or asking people to view your channel. You just post your video and go and sleep. It's very, very important to follow trend. There are a lot of trending issues happening, and you can just leverage those trending issues to make your videos. Just, even though you are making comedy, turn the thing to comedy. Make it, as in, disseminate the thing in your own frame of understanding, and just put 1 or 2 keywords about those trending issues. Definitely, you are going to have tons of views. I've done it and it worked for me. I've done it and I got some level of Ks of view in a day. It's working. Don't just carry your camera and go and shoot video and say or you shoot video and try to show your lifestyle. Yes, it's good to show your lifestyle in the video, but definitely those videos are mostly made for celebrities. But as a young YouTuber, you need people to know you. You need your channel to go viral. You need people to, you need people to come into your channel, subscribe to you. So you need to make something that will blow their mind. There's one guy that asks, what can you do for 1 million views? You need to go extreme to gain 1 million views. You can't just gain 1 million views by not putting a lot of effort. So that is it. I'll put the link of some Google tools that you can use to do your keyword research online. There are some tools that are free online. Like, I'll put the links in the description box below. So the second option that I'm going to tell you guys is very, very important. And the second option is create videos or content for your audience. It's very, very important to know that you need to create videos or content for your audience, because if you create video for yourself, people are not going to watch those videos, because YouTube is the second highest search engine in the world. People come to YouTube to search for information. You need to create video with the aim of disseminating valuable information that benefit people, not you. YouTube is like a market. You are trying to sell something, and if you are trying to sell something, definitely you are going to package your items so that people, when they come in, they will buy. You are not selling something for yourself. So when you are creating a video, put it in mind that you are trying to sell something to somebody or some certain group of people. So when you are trying to sell something to some certain group of people, you need to sell it, you need to package it. So you need to make the thing very informative, that is going to create or add value to people that watch the video. So your main purpose as a YouTuber or as a content creator is to pass or disseminate valuable information or content to your target audience. So anytime that you are creating a video, you need to put your target audience or your audience in mind. Don't put yourself in mind. Put your target audience in mind. If you put your target audience in mind, definitely you are creating video for the market. YouTube is the second search engine, as I said earlier. So if you create content for them, definitely people will come and consume that content. And if they consume the content and the thing serve as an informative tools for them, they will definitely key to your channel. And let me see, you can likely leverage 1 or 2 subscribers from there. I've done it many times. It worked for me. That is why you need to do research before you pass any information. You can't just wake up. I said it previously. You can't just wake up and carry your camera and be. Some people just wake up, carry your camera, no script writing, no production plan, no thinking, nothing. You just videoing it. Yes, it works for some people, but definitely if you want to make your channel standard and good and more valuable to your audience, you need to make things that will benefit them. Things that when people watch, they'll still come back. Okay, as a YouTuber, those content that are going well, you need to survey and know those content that are doing well. So those content that are doing well, you need to start doing more of those content. Then you need to stick to those pattern of content and do more, so that if people come in, they'll know that this is your niche, this is what you are doing. But it's a gradual process. So the third step is to create compiling headline. For a successful optimization of your video, you need to create compiling headline for humans and algorithm. You need to create it for human and algorithm, so that YouTube algorithm is going to pick your video. And if YouTube algorithm pick your video, it's going to take your video to front page. That is in search. When people are searching, they're going to see your video among the top video that is meant for that specific keyword that you wrote. So what is algorithm? I'm going to write summary of algorithm on the description box below, so that you're going to learn more about it to enhance your knowledge about it, so that you know how to achieve success in this YouTube journey. If you want to make that headline, make the headline for two things. Make the headline for humans, because humans are the ones that are going to search it, and make the headlines for algorithms, so that algorithm is going to notice your headline. For a successful optimization of your channel, your headline must be compiling, so that when people see your headline in that front page, they are going to definitely click to your headline. Because if your headline is not compiling, or is not catching, or is not interesting, if the headline is not interesting, people are not going to click. But if you make a compiling headline, anybody that reads the headline falls in love with the headline, definitely people are going to click your video. So for you to keep them, you need to make it interesting. So if you make it interesting, people are going to definitely stick to your channel and watch those videos. Before you even create a video, you need to settle down, cool down, and think, what is my headline or title going to be? Don't just create video without making that research. You know which headline you're going to use. Which headline you're going to make research to know which headline is going to drag people to your channel. Because if you didn't make research and you just write any kind of headline, definitely you're not going to have those views that you expect. You can't just create a headline randomly and expect people to come and watch it. So that's why you need to sometimes follow trend. You can go to Google Trend and go and check. Google Trend sometimes show you things that are trending, and those things that are trending are stuff that people click. So those things, you can use them and leverage them to get one or two keywords from there and fix and make video about it, so that you're going to leverage it and get tons of views. Or leverage, you cannot get tons of views, but you are going to leverage it and get some numbers of views as a small YouTuber. Also, make sure that your title always answer a question. Just create title that answers a question that your audience is asking. If you create a title that answers a question that your audience is asking, definitely you are going to get tons of views. Because if people are searching for that question and you are answering that question, definitely it's going to yield a good return. So you need to focus on your title. You need to focus on the questions your audience are asking. You need to, when you are trying to make any video, you need to imagine that if you are the one that is going to search or going to look for a content like this, what are you going to type to look for such content? It's very helpful that you are paying attention to your audience, not paying attention to yourself. Because some people create video and they pay attention to themselves. My village people, my blah blah blah. And yes, it's very important, but your audience is the most important thing if you want to succeed in YouTube. If you want to drive those tons of views, that's what big YouTubers do. They do video for their audience, not themselves, because YouTube is like a market. And also remember that you must include your keywords in that title. Your keywords must be in that title for the thing to flourish. If you didn't include your keywords in that title, definitely it's not going to flourish. So you need to remember that you need to put those keywords in that your compelling title or headline, so that at least it will drive those tons of views. Optimize your thumbnail. Optimizing your thumbnail is very important. Thumbnail will enhance visibility of your channel. You know, like when you post video, your video is not going to appear on YouTube search alone or on YouTube alone. It's going to appear on YouTube, and definitely if somebody search about anything that is pertaining those your video that you create, it's going to appear on Google search engine. So definitely if your picture, your thumbnail is compiling, it will enhance people to click on it to see what you can offer. That is, see if your content is valuable and informative and educative. You need to focus on your thumbnail too. You need to make your thumbnail to be attractive too, as your headline and other things. You need to create your thumbnail with a better labeling. It helps Google to understand your thumbnail. It helps Google to understand the message that you are trying to pass or they are trying to disseminate. You need to include text and clear description of your message that you are trying to pass. Well, thanks for watching my video to the end. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the family. I'm KC TV. I disseminate stories about Africa, about Nigeria. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop your comment and opinion in the comment box below.